Thank you very much for watching Learning Grammar with Nicalingue. I'm teacher Nestor. In today's class, we will talk about singular and plural nouns. But before we get started with our today's class, we need to make sure and understand what a noun is. So a noun, it could be a person, it could be a thing, it could be an animal. Efectivamente, un sustantivo puede ser una persona, un animal o una cosa. Let's see some examples. We have one dog, one dog, one apple, one apple, one boy, one boy. These three items, these three things, they are called nouns. If you need to make them plural, it's pretty simple. The only thing you need to do is to add the letter S at the end of the noun. Let's see some examples. Two dogs. Make sure you pronounce the letter S at the end of the sound. Two dogs. Two apples. Two apples. Two boys. Two boys. Now we have some practicing. Take a look at the following nouns. They are in singular, and you need to make them plural. The only thing you need to do is to download the PDF file, print it, and make sure you turn these singular nouns into plural nouns. Girl, pencil, telephone, bird, cup, camera, banana, newspaper, chair, spoon. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye-bye for now.